children are not the things to be molded, but are the people to be unfolded. Myself, Principal Harbhajan Singh, today presenting my view how to educate children. Mostly we think what our children will become tomorrow, but we forget they are someone today. The education of the child starts from mother womb, ends in the tomb. In the childhood, children does not learn from the words, they learn from the action. They watch the action of their parents, grandparents, relatives, family members, and the society members. We all know the action speaks louder than words. The most important part of education of children's life is not the university study. The most important part of the children education is from birth to teenage, means 19 years. The aim of the education should not make the student too eligible to answering the question rather than raising question. Aim of the education should have to create creative mind, not the obedient mind. If we give always instant solution of the problem of our children, then we take away from them right to face their problem with their own ways. Our children by nature is a script writer, producer, director and actor of his own play, which is called life. That should run under your proper supervision. If our child is poor in science but rich or intelligent in social science and political science, we mostly hire the tuition or the tutor for the science subject. But we should also hire the tuition and tutor for the political science and social science to develop the inner quality of the children, to develop the natural quality of the children, to develop the passion of the children. Because when passion becomes a profession, we can touch the sky. When passion becomes a profession, we can conquer the world. So, aim of the education should develop the natural quality of the children. Because we know our children are designed by the nature. So, every child is an artist. The problem, how remain an artist grows up. To educate the children to know the difference between the richness and the happiness, to free them to know and not to know. Let them learn or unlearn. Let them speak or not to speak. Let them write or not to write. Let them listen, not to listen. Let them learn how to love, not to love. How to hate, not to hate. How to walk, not to walk. How to stop, not to stop. So, parents and teachers' duties is that if the children is not learning the way with that they are teaching to them, they should change the way, they should adopt the way from that way children want to learn. If you want your children play big in the world, then let them play with the small things. Along with the education, play is also a major part of life. Give some time to your children for play rather than schooling, tuition, homework and testing. If you don't give them time to play, then you take away their right to understand the world with their own way. If you want your children climb the mountain, then let them free from the comfort zone. If you like my views, please subscribe, share the channel. Thank you.